The city of Petra, capital of the Nabataean Arabs, is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. It is located 240 kilometers south of the capital Amman. Petra, the world wonder, is undoubtedly Jordan's most valuable treasure and greatest tourist attraction, and it is visited by tourists from all over the world. It is not known precisely when Petra was built, but the city began to prosper as the capital of the Nabataean Empire from the 1st century BC, which grew rich through trade in frankincense, myrrh, and spices. Petra was later annexed to the Roman Empire and continued to thrive until a large earthquake in 363 AD destroyed much of the city in the 4th century AD. The earthquake, combined with changes in trade routes, eventually led to the downfall of the city, which was ultimately abandoned. By the middle of the 7th century, Petra appears to have been largely deserted, and it was then lost to all except local Bedouin from the area. Petra is also known as the Rose Red City, a name it gets from the wonderful color of the rock from which many of the city's structures were carved.